let's take number 2 on this. So today we are gonna cover Streamer.Bot with Speaker.Bot. Yay! Right? So that way you can have things going on like this. Why did that not?
Hello.
Okay, Jesus. Really wish that wouldn't change, but whatever. So, anyways, typically you'd want to like sign in to your stuff that you wish. It's completely up to you. Streamer.Bot website. I should probably do that. Where is the voice alias? Settings, speaking options. Ah, yes. Okay, so typically it would come up with nothing in here when you first come in. You are going to want to make one, right? So it's like you can just put in whatever the heck you want in here. You can set your audio output of whatever audio output you wish. It's like, yeah, don't worry about it. Then you just hit add. For us, we use Aeon. Okay. And then if I come down here,
This is a test message.
right? So it will turn around and say, hey, this is a test message for you. Once you have that, okay, Speaker.Bot, that section part is done. Okay. So then over in Streamer.Bot, right, you are going to want to set up an action, which we've already covered, right? And in sub actions, okay, it's just under add, Speaker.Bot, speak, type in whatever you want, and for your alias, just make sure that it is the exact as whatever one, like however you have it named. In this case, it's Aeon. So, right, we just go Aeon and then whatever the heck message we want. If we wanted this to be a first message kind of thing, right? From like Twitch. You would have it like linked to like first message, right? And actually, can I just proc? Subscriptions. Isn't this supposed to be a user section? Ah, first words. Okay. Doesn't matter, right? So then, like,
Hello, Brisat.
right? So anytime that someone comes in, right?
Hello, percent user percent. Hello, Iliam93.
Right. So now it's come in and say hello every time that someone does like first words, right? If you wanted it for like a redeem, it's kind of the exact same thing where you can just come in, right, and just use username. If you are unsure, right, of any of the variables that you are possibly getting from Streamer.Bot, as we have gone over, you can always go over to the action history, click on the action you are trying to set up, and then you can just pull whatever source thing in here, right? Like if we go message, for instance, right? And then we could go message, right? We could, I'm gonna do chat message.
Hello, Wood General World. This is a test whisper.
Yeah, see? So that is how you can set up Streamer.Bot with Speaker.Bot. There is also using via programming, like via C#, which I'll show you guys that. Go figure, it's on the other side. And for Speaker.Bot through C#, right? It's just TT as speak, and in this case it'd be Aeon. Hello, and then Jack PS9. Right? So you can have it filtering out bad words and stuff like that too, if you so see fit to. Yeah, like.
Hello, Jack PS9.
Right? So you can do some interesting things if you wish to. And just as a reminder, if you want to get arguments in C#, right? It's just the name of the argument. You don't need the percent signs. So just be like user, and then you just go to string, right? So in this case, it would be like, this is one way you could easily do it.
Hello, the underscore Seraphium.
All right. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. You found it helpful. And yeah, if you guys have any more requests on how to do something in Streamer.Bot, just post in the comments. I will look into it and I will show you guys. Till then, peace out.